Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amy D. McKnight and I want to welcome you to Module 1, the basics. And we're going to be going into Lesson 1, getting started. This is the first module in a series of 6 modules that take you through beginning in your creative weaving journey all the way up to doing some amazing things with 3 Heddles on your rigid Heddle loom. So this is the Epically Creative Rigid Heddle Weaving course, Module 1, Lesson 1, and it is on YouTube. Don't worry, someone did not upload this without my knowing. It is on YouTube, so if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload the rest of the videos. Over the next couple of weeks, I'll be putting them all up. And yeah, share this video. It could be helpful to someone who's wanting to make more progress. All right, so in this lesson, you will learn the materials you'll need, looms you'll be using, and how to get support. All right, the materials you'll need. So for these modules, I used lace weight yarn. I actually used Lion Brand Yarn's Amazing Lace. You do not have to use this type of yarn. I'll get into more of why I decided to use lace weight yarn in another video, but I'm just letting you know what I'm using throughout these modules for those of you who want to know. I know inquiring minds want to know, but as you'll see and as you'll hear me say over and over again, use what you have. Your creativity is not dependent on your loom or your materials. Your creativity is within you, and you can, I hope that this series, this course, will help bring that out. All right, so for this module, as well as modules 2 and 3, I'm going to be using a 12 dent or 12.5 dent Heddle. Use what you have. Right, I'm going to be explaining why I'm using this weight, this Heddle, but just for those who want to understand, the 12 or 12.5 dent Heddle, this is a common Heddle, and it will allow you to create fabric that can be cut into a little bit more easy without it coming apart, which is cool if you want to start actually making things from your fabric. If you don't have a 12 or 12.5 dent Heddle, no big deal. Use what you have, okay? All right, and I'm also going to be using the same yarn for the weft as I am for the warp. I may be doubling or tripling it, but I'm using the same type of yarn. Again, use whatever yarn you have. Also, it's useful to have a tapestry needle. Scissors are helpful. A brick or a heavy book is going to be helpful, especially when you're getting ready to finish. The looms that we'll be using. Now, there are a lot of different rigid Heddle looms out there, and I hope to continue acquiring different looms so I'll be able to help those of you who have looms that fall outside of these looms that I am using. But currently, the looms that I'm going to be using in the course and in the demonstration are the following. I'm going to be using an Ashford Samplet 10. I'm also going to be using a Becca SG20. I'm going to be using a Shacked Cricket 15. And I'm also going to be using my Spark Weaving loom that you can find at www.sparkweaving.com. All right, now, how to get support. As you can see, I've kind of I'm flipping some of the things inside out. So instead of putting this information behind a paywall, I'm putting this out here for the benefit of the rigid Heddle weaving world at large. But for those of you who want to go deeper, for those of you who want to get more information, you want to get a little bit more support, you want to work with me and work with other people who are going through this course, this information together, or on this journey of becoming more creative and proficient in their rigid Heddle weaving journey, then I would invite you to join my weaving community. It's www.myweavingcommunity.com/join. And there are several different levels that you can join at. I have different levels that you can join at. This supports me, it supports this channel, and it also allows me to support you in a way that is that I can go deeper. And this isn't a Facebook group, just to let you know, this isn't a Facebook group. This is actually an off Facebook platform. You don't have to have a Facebook account. It's a private paid platform that I pay for so that I don't have to be on Facebook. So if you're worried about that, worry no more. You can join and we can go deeper. And yeah, just go to www.myweavingcommunity.com/join. You'll find out more information about how to get support. So in this lesson, you learn the materials you'll need, the looms you'll be using, and how to get support. I want you to go ahead and take action now. If you want to go through these modules with me, if you want to go through this process with me and growing your creative weaving skills as I'm putting out these videos, go ahead and gather the materials, whatever you have, use what you have, and and free up your loom and get ready to warp up for the next lesson. And also, nice bonus, go ahead and download and print out the Basics of Weaving game board and fill it out as you go along. This is going to be our guide as we go through the Basics Module 1, and you'll be able to kind of keep track of your progress. You'll be able to know what you're doing, know what's going to be coming up, and check off the skills as you are learning them. That link is in the description below. You can click the link, get the copy of the game board, download it. And in the next lesson, you're going to learn my philosophy for creative weaving, why creative weaving is a little off balance and what that means, and how to put our best creative weaving face forward. All right, y'all. So I want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Yes, leave me a comment. Let me know, if you're excited about these videos that are coming. Please subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell and share this video. If you have another rigid Heddle weaving friend or someone that that has been wanting to learn more about rigid Heddle weaving, but for whatever reason, be it COVID or funds, they haven't been able to get information like that they wanted to, go ahead and share this video with them, because I'm about to put it all out there, and so that hopefully we can grow together and become more proficient and more creative rigid Heddle weaving people, and that we can grow this niche. I think there's a lot of people out there that can benefit from learning how to weave on these looms. They can do so many things, and I am super excited to be able to share this with you. All right, y'all. Until the next video, I will see you in the next one.